Features of RFview W. 1. Web-based management software. Web-based software enables users to monitor device and zones globally by entering the IP in a browser. 2. Map mode optional. Digital map and image map. Zoomable digital map. Image map. 3. Flexible zone allocation. In digital map mode, multiple zones can be generated after importing GPS data. Each zone can be divided into several soft zones. In image map mode, draw lines to create zones. Each zone can be divided into several soft zones. 4. Alarm location. Alarm location information can be real-time display on the map. Alarm info includes type, time, zone, GPS course, fiber distance, real-world distances, and distance to reference point. Alarm display information can be customized in the settings. For example, show fiber distance only. Column headers in the alarm list can be customized to show or hide. 3. Convenient icon shortcuts. Alarms can be handled with one click. The zone name can be shown or hidden by one click. Displays waveforms in real time, allowing customers to visually understand the status of the software's operation, batch arm or disarm. 6. Video linkage. The RF970 supports live video streaming from cameras and offers recording and playback functionality for intrusion events. 2 methods to add camera. 1. Input camera IP. 2. Input RTSP stream address of the camera. It supports RFview protocol to control camera rotating to the preset positions. Associate zones with the preset positions of cameras. Upon intrusion detection in a zone, the related video pops up automatically. Up to 6 videos pop up at the same time. 7. Dry contact linkage. External alarm systems, such as infrared barrier detectors and electronic fencing alarms, can be integrated into network management software via dry contact inputs. It also enables the association of dry contact outputs with multiple zones. 8. Alarm display. Alarms appear distinct on the map with varied colors. Anti-tamper alarm. Fiber cutting alarm. Intrusion alarm.